So this is everything I got at the store today. Let's get right into it. All right, so I just came over here by my bed because this is where the most sunlight is, and I want to make sure that this is a good quality video. I want to make sure that this is a high quality video. So number one, I got some cilantro. This is for some guacamole I'm gonna be making today. I'm making jerk tacos, so y'all will see the rest of the ingredients. Oyster mushrooms. This is for my jerk tacos that I'm making. 100% organic corn tortillas. I try to keep my ingredients as simple as possible when I'm buying processed foods. So because these are 100% organic corn flour, I went with this brand. Bananas, this is also in no particular order. I get bananas for smoothies. They're a great snacking option. I put them on like toast with almond butter. Everyone needs bananas in their life. Ketchup, my boyfriend literally puts this on every fucking thing, so I had to get some organic ketchup for him. Protein bars, I eat these after my workout. They literally taste like a chocolate bar to me. Maybe if you're on a standard American diet, they won't taste like exactly like a chocolate bar to you, but I have a sweet tooth, so I like to have sweet things on hand that are high in protein and that are on the healthier side that I can enjoy, and especially something that will fuel me after my strength training workouts. Likewise, I grabbed a couple of Lara bars. Me and my boyfriend love these. They taste like Snickers to us, so we grab these all the time. Honey mangoes, Whole Foods has these 5 for $4.50. These are the best mangoes you will ever have in your entire life. I'm sure they taste better if I was actually eating them in Jamaica or Mexico when they're not shipped to America, but they're still so juicy, so sweet, high in so many nutrients. I'm making fresh fruit bowls with these. I also grabbed some pineapple. They had pineapples 2 for $5 or 2 for $4, something like that. Just chop this up with some mango, and also I have some strawberries, cashew milk, smoothies, oatmeal. Love cashew milk. I'll even like heat this up on the stove top, froth it with some turmeric powder, ginger powder, cinnamon, vanilla, make a little latte. I got a couple of these Koya protein shakes. I don't know how it's pronounced. I think it's Koya, but I got some of these protein shakes, like I said, for after my strength training workouts. Mainly, I'll do hemp seeds in my smoothies, or I'll try to incorporate quinoa into my dinner, but these are so convenient. They taste good. They taste like a milkshake, so I just grab a couple of them just for the convenience if I'm on the go. Frozen vegetables, I'm gonna be mixing this with some plant-based pesto that I got and some pasta. This is the plant-based pesto. This is gonna be dinner tomorrow. I'll have this around midday. You don't want to eat too heavy too late. I do get extremely healthy pastas though. I have this teff penne. This is a gluten-free option if you are gluten-free. I'm gluten-free, so I try to get as healthy a pasta as possible. So I try to get the teff penne when Whole Foods has it. Onion, because everyone needs this to add flavor to their dishes. If you're cooking with Goya adobo seasoning products and all these other chemical-based seasonings, you need to go get you some fresh garlic, fresh chives, fresh onion, and start cooking with some fresh flavors. I have some frozen raspberries. I'm gonna mix this with the cashew milk and some cacao powder and make like a raspberry chocolate smoothie. Avocados, healthy fats. I do this in my chickpea tuna, avocado toast, and everything in between, but specifically I'll be doing a guac with this for my jerk mushroom tacos. I have my gluten-free bread for my avocado toast, tuna. I'll be making tuna probably in the next couple of days for lunch. So yeah. Speaking of tuna, I've been loving these chips with my tuna. This is not the most weight loss friendly of my haul, but listen, we all need a little quick fix sometimes. So I'll grab these, plus my boyfriend loves them. So we'll share like a handful of these with our tuna sandwiches, and it's really good. It reminds me of like being a kid and like eating a sub with like a huge bag of chips. These chips, not an everyday thing. Gotta have cheat days, gotta be able to, you know, treat yourself when you've earned it. But I just get the sharing size bag because it's a better price than getting the smaller bags, but this lasts me a very long time. I'm not eating this in a bowl by itself as a snack. I'm eating it with a healthy plant-based veggie sandwich next to it. Not saying that that justifies anything, but like I said, chickpea tuna. I try to grab the box version of these beans instead of the canned version, because obviously heavy metals, it's more toxic for your body. So I try to get the box kind. If I can't get the box kind, I'll get the dry kind. If I'm in a pinch, I'll get the canned version. But oh, and also a great source of protein if you're strength training on a weight loss journey, chickpeas, check them out. Like I said, for my fruit bowls, I have some organic strawberries. I love sprinkling strawberries with my mango. It tastes amazing together, the combo. Lastly, if you date an African man, you know you got to keep some plantain on hand. So I keep this for whenever the fuck he wants to fry them. But today we're going to be putting these in our jerk mushroom tacos. And yeah, y'all, that is everything I got from the store. This will probably last me, between everything that I already have here, this will probably last me the next 3 to 4 days. I spent $111 at the store. It can be a lot for some people, but my main investment every single day is in my health and in myself. If you guys gain anything from this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later.
Something that I wanted for so long.